In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a section height on your Wix website. This is a straightforward task, perfect both for those new to website design and seasoned designers looking to efficiently tweak their layouts. Modifying section heights can make your content more visually appealing, improve readability, and ensure your site reflects the aesthetics and functionality you desire. So let's dive into this step-by-step guide and adjust your website to perfection. First, let's access the Wix website editor. You'll need to log into your Wix account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to your site's dashboard. From there, click on the blue Site Actions button, then select Edit Site. This will open the Wix editor, where all the magic happens. For many users, the editor might seem overwhelming initially, but with a bit of exploration, it becomes an intuitive and powerful tool to shape your website's design. Now, with the editor open, it's time to find the specific section you wish to modify. On the left side of your screen, you have all elements of the site laid out in a hierarchy. Clicking directly on a section will highlight it, and you'll notice a blue border appearing around it. The sections of your site are essentially the building blocks, so selecting the right one is crucial for making the correct adjustments. Once your section is selected, it's time to adjust its height. You'll see a small arrow icon appear just above or below the section, depending on its orientation on the page. This arrow acts as your handle for resizing. Click and hold the arrow, then drag it up or down. Watching the section resize in real time helps provide a better sense of how the change affects the overall flow and appearance of your page. As you adjust, consider how each change might influence your site's usability across different devices. While adjusting, keep an eye on the grid lines and snapping guidelines that appear. These help maintain symmetry and alignment, ensuring your design remains streamlined and professional. A helpful tip here is to periodically preview your changes by clicking on the Preview button at the top right of the screen. This allows you to see your adjustments from a visitor's perspective, a critical step for finalizing design changes. After you're satisfied with the height adjustment, don't forget to save your work. Click on the Publish button to make your changes live for your audience. Modifications to section heights can significantly impact the user experience, so ensuring that it looks and functions well is a must. And that's it. You've successfully changed the section height on your Wix website. Remember, design is about balance, and a well-ordered site enhances both accessibility and engagement. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has made you feel more confident in modifying your Wix website. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't hesitate to subscribe and leave your questions or feedback in the comments below. Until next time, happy designing!